Every Friday at 9 Pacific, I host a 1-hour Does It Pencil Masterclass. Every week it's a new topic about making better decisions about money. So the first thing I want you to do on your calculator is this. In the lower left-hand quadrant, you have what I call the gold key. It's orangey, but it's that color one down there. Press that and then press the C key, and you'll see it says clear all on the bottom of it. Gold key, clear all. When you do that, let's see, so Peter, you have the calculator. When you press gold key and then the C, what flashes in your display?
It's 12.
12 payments per year, okay? Those of you who have the app, there's different apps in the room, locate resident in your display, usually the upper left. Does it say 12 PYR or 1 PYR?
Payments per year 12.
Okay, where are you at, Dan?
In the...
Should be in like the upper left. You got it, Andrew?
It says payment per year.
Okay, take a look at his and see if you
Mine
can.
says 604. So I don't know how I'd get rid of that.
Well, I'll show you.
Seal.
Okay, here's what I want everybody to do, just to practice this. Let's reset the calculator for 1 payment per year. Here's how you do that. Press 1, press that gold key, and then in the top row, press the payment key. 1 gold key payment. When you do that, you app people should see 1 PYR in your display, and you should see 1 PYR flash in your display. Okay? Everybody got that? You got that, Dan?
No.
1 gold key payment.
It's,
Yeah, that one, this one. Yes. Oh,
Gold.
Got her?
Yeah, you will hear clear all.
okay,
Okay.
so, one
One gold. Payment.
payment. Okay, then, this displays,
Cleared, and then you can do 12 gold.
Exactly.
yeah, that works.
So now we'll go from 1 to 12. So just type in 12 gold key payment. So everybody do that. So here's a little thing that makes a big difference with this payment per year business. Once you set it, it's not going to like go back to a certain default value. It will stay on what you left it at unless you go back and change it physically again. So we do these problems, first thing you have to do is check how many payments per year am I in, okay? So this problem we're going to do has monthly payments, therefore we want to preset the calculator for 12 payments per year, okay? So I've cleared it and I've set it for 12 payments per year. Now I'm going to enter the $100,000. So type in 100,000 and then press your PV button. So that enters the 100,000 into the PV register. And you must press PV to log it in there. Now enter the interest rate, type in 12 and press IYR. Okay? Now you've got your 12% interest. Now I want you to enter the 30 years, but I want you to do it this way. 30 gold key N. This is the magic step that will balance.
That's what I was doing wrong.
Okay?
I was doing 360.
Well, and if you do 360N, that will also work.
It does, okay.
Okay? But, and this is the important but, the reason you must preset this calculator for the correct number of payments per year is there are 2 conversions that go on, remember? Term is times number of payments per year, and rate is also divided by number of payments per year. They both happen, but here's the problem. You don't see the 1% conversion in your display, but it's doing it internally. You see this conversion. Now take a look at the bottom of the N key. See how it says times PYR? So when you press gold key N, it's taking the 30 and multiplying it times the 12 you stored in the payment register. That's how this works. So as I said twice before, here's the third time. If you just do this stuff in this sequencing, make sure you're on the correct number of payments per year, and always press the gold key before the N, always press the gold key before the N, always press the gold key before the N, you're good. Now the methodology is this. Find 3. Oops. It's not one of them. Find 3. Solve for the 4th. So here we have PV, rate, and term entered. Here's the last press. PMT. Press that. What'd you get, Cheryl?
1028.61.
1028.61. Amazing how it always comes out that way. And is that number positive or negative?
Well, it's showing negative.
Exactly. I'm going to put brackets around it like this to denote negative. It's just an accounting thing. It's just easier to read on the whiteboard. Why is your payment negative?
As you
Because
put in
that's what
present
you're
value.
going to be paying every
You're,
month.
you're paying it out, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is how this sign convention stuff works on the HP calculator. This is positive. I received it in. Therefore, this must be negative. I have to pay it back. If I would have entered the 100,000 as negative and done everything else the same way, I would have gotten 1,028.61. It just would have been positive. So in that instance, I'm the lender. I pay out the lump sum. I receive in the payment positive. So it'll always flip the sign convention on the back end. Okay. I'll talk more about sign convention later, but for now, take a look in the far left column. I think it's the 3rd row down. See that plus minus button? See that one that says plus/minus? That's your sign convention button. Just tap that once.
Oh.
So it makes this positive.
Okay.
Tap it again. It just toggles it back and forth.
Gotcha.
Okay? Another thing while we're here, I want you to quickly on your calculator, press gold key equals 0. So it chopped off the pennies.
Yep.
So it's 1,029. Now press gold key equals 2. Puts them back. That's what's known as significant places. Now do this. Gold key equals 4. And that'll put 4 numbers to the right of the decimal. We'll use that later in certain percentage calculations. But this is called sign convention, and that's how you change it on the HP 10B2. All right? So I showed you where the sign convention thing is, and this is the significant place thing. I'm sorry, I said this is sign convention. This is significant places here. All right. So that's good.
Yeah.
You guys got through your first time value money problem.